Breakthrough: Graphene Brain-Computer Interface in Human Trials. In a groundbreaking announcement, INBRAIN Neuroelectronics has shared the interim findings from the very first clinical study involving human participants using their innovative graphene-based brain-computer interface (BCI) technology, conducted at the Manchester Centre for Clinical Neurosciences under the sponsorship of the University of Manchester. This study aims to assess the safety and effectiveness of graphene electrodes during surgeries for brain tumor removal. The primary goal of this clinical trial, NCT 0638310, is to evaluate how safe INBRAIN's BCI is when utilized in the context of brain tumor surgeries. Additionally, the study seeks to investigate several secondary objectives, including the quality of neural signals captured by the device, its capacity to provide targeted brain stimulation, the reliability of its performance throughout the surgical process, and its overall appropriateness for use in neurosurgical settings. The research anticipates enrolling between 8 to 10 patients to thoroughly validate both the safety and functional capabilities of the graphene-based BCI. Notably, an interim analysis was planned after the first 4 patients were recruited to prioritize patient safety and ensure the integrity of the data collected. The interim results from the initial group of 4 patients revealed no adverse events related to the device, which is a crucial aspect of the study's primary endpoint. During procedures involving awake language mapping, the BCI successfully detected distinct high-gamma activity associated with various phonemes, the smallest sound units in speech, demonstrating remarkable spatial and temporal resolution, even with its micrometer scale contacts. Furthermore, the ultra-thin graphene electrodes were found to be compatible with existing CE-marked electrophysiology systems, effectively recording real-time brain signals throughout the surgical operations. David Koop, the chief investigator and consultant neurosurgeon at the Manchester Centre for Clinical Neurosciences, expressed excitement about the findings, stating, "The ability to detect high-frequency neural activity with micrometer-scale precision opens new possibilities for understanding brain tumor interactions and broader brain function in neuro-related disorders. This technology could be transformative not only for improving surgical outcomes but for unlocking new treatment pathways." Throughout the surgical procedures, INBRAIN's BCI facilitated high-resolution monitoring of brain signals, addressing one of the most significant challenges in neurosurgery: the need for precise tumor removal while safeguarding essential functions such as speech, movement, and cognition. The device operated alongside standard clinical monitoring tools, maintaining consistent performance throughout the surgical window. Carolina Aguilar, CEO and co-founder of INBRAIN Neuroelectronics, remarked, "This milestone demonstrates that graphene-based brain-computer interfaces can be deployed in the operating room and deliver a level of neural fidelity not achievable with traditional materials. We're moving toward a future where neurosurgeons and neurologists can rely on real-time high-definition brain data to guide personalized interventions." INBRAIN's platform utilizes ultra-flexible, thin-film graphene semiconductors that conform more accurately to the brain's surface compared to conventional strip electrodes. The BCI is designed with high-density, multi-scale, bidirectional contacts that enhance decoding and modulation capabilities, along with reduced graphene oxide (RGO) nanoporous matrices that improve sensitivity and signal resolution. In preclinical studies, this graphene-based interface significantly outperformed traditional platinum electrodes in detecting high gamma frequencies, 80 to 130 Hz, which are critical for speech decoding, achieving statistical significance. P is less than 0.01. The advantages of graphene technology in neurosurgical applications are numerous. It enhances surgical precision by allowing for smaller, more densely packed electrodes, enabling surgeons to accurately define and preserve critical functional areas during tumor resection. Its flexibility allows for effective decoding and mapping in complex or hard-to-reach brain regions, including the walls of the tumor resection cavity. Moreover, the device's capability to decode high-frequency activity presents vast scientific opportunities, potentially revealing in situ interactions between glioma cells and neurons, which could lead to new therapeutic targets for halting tumor progression. Kostas Kostorelos, co-founder of INBRAIN and chief scientific investigator of the study, emphasized the significance of their work, stating, "We're not delivering incremental innovation. We're enabling entirely new capabilities. This convergence of advanced material science, neuroscience, and AI is shaping precision neurology as the first safety study of a graphene-based neural interface in humans. This research represents a pivotal step toward developing BCI therapeutic systems for chronic neurological conditions, heralding a new era of real-time, precision neurology." About INBRAIN Neuroelectronics. INBRAIN Neuroelectronics is at the forefront of real-time precision neurology, offering the world's first graphene-based brain-computer interface (BCI) therapeutics platform. Their technology integrates precise BCI decoding with micrometric modulation to provide adaptive, personalized treatments for conditions such as Parkinson's disease, epilepsy, and stroke rehabilitation. By enabling continuous real-time monitoring and autonomous therapy adjustments, their AI-driven platform aims to maximize therapeutic outcomes while minimizing side effects. Through strategic partnerships, including collaborations with Merck KGaA and their subsidiary Inervia Bioelectronics, INBRAIN is expanding its innovative solutions to address peripheral nerve and systemic disease applications, unlocking the potential of neurotechnology and bioelectronics. For more information, visit www.inbrain-neuroelectronics.com and follow them on LinkedIn. About Northern Care Alliance, NCA. The Northern Care Alliance NHS Foundation Trust provides comprehensive hospital and community healthcare services across Salford, Oldham, Bury, and Rochdale. With a dedicated workforce of approximately 20,000 staff members, they deliver high-quality care and exceptional experiences to over 1 million individuals throughout Greater Manchester and beyond, working collaboratively to save and improve lives. More information about the NCA can be found at www.northerncarealliance.nhs.uk. About the National Institute for Health and Care Research, NIHR. The National Institute for Health and Care Research, NIHR, is committed to enhancing the health and wealth of the nation through research. Their mission includes funding high-quality, timely research that benefits the NHS, public health, and social care, investing in world-class expertise and facilities, partnering with patients and communities to improve research relevance, and collaborating with other public funders, charities, and industry to create a cohesive and competitive research system. NIIR is funded by the Department of Health and Social Care, with its work in low- and middle-income countries primarily supported through UK international development funding from the UK government. About the NIIR Manchester Biomedical Research Centre, BRC. The NIIR Manchester Biomedical Research Centre, BRC, is dedicated to transforming scientific breakthroughs into diagnostic tests and life-saving treatments for patients. BRCs are collaborations between NHS organizations and universities, uniting academics and clinicians to translate scientific discoveries into potential new treatments, diagnostics, and technologies. The Manchester BRC is hosted by Manchester University, NHS Foundation Trust, and the University of Manchester, in partnership with 5 NHS trusts. About the University of Manchester. The University of Manchester is globally recognized for its pioneering research, exceptional teaching, and commitment to social responsibility. As a member of the prestigious Russell Group, it ranks as the 6th best university in the UK and 38th in the world, with a diverse community of over 44,000 students and 12,000 staff from 190 countries. The university is dedicated to addressing the world's most pressing challenges. Its social and environmental impact is ranked among the top 10 globally, and it boasts 25 Nobel laureates among its former staff and students.